a wide range of products storage across industries, new technologies. ISO Level Y and IATF 1699 get every checklist. Quality inspections run every 2 hours. Incoming materials arrive with HGS or HS and REACH certificates. Now we are following the steps to explore different possibilities in Guxiang and help Guxiang customize service solutions for global partners. Dongguan Guxiang, founded in 2010, we are all kinds of fasteners manufacturer and resources integrator integrated to technological progress, and have continuously expanded our range of service for global partners. To meet global, customized fasteners requirements, we have been innovating ourselves to be one of global leading solutions providers. For all the fasteners, we have been following international standards, such as ISO, JIS, AI, and other customer-oriented required standards. To match industry-oriented assembling parts, we have extended our workshop into 5 divisions: Spring Production Department, CNC Machining Department, Cold Heading Department, Stamping Department, and Leather Cutting Department. Now we are working into our Cold Heading Production Department to boost our production capability and enhancing ourselves to be a qualified fastener manufacturer for global customers. We have already introduced over 100 cold heading machines and will be introducing more machines in the future. From production process, head stamping, thread, rolling to finished products, hardening process and surface treatment, all processes are within quality control. Whether it's a micro screw for a 3D printer, corrosion-proof washer for coastal lightning, or a titanium wrench for extreme sports gear, Guxiang delivers a complete catalog of fastening and metalwork parts. Now our eyes are on our stamping production department. For the products we have served in our stamping branch, micro-level repeatability for electronic cases, LED brackets, and more stamping products are on our list. Now our steps switch to our laser cutting production department. Tanning toroidal fiber lasers / titanium plates, complex profiles, both free ages, zero tuning costs, ideal for rapid prototypes and low volume builds. What product surprises we will bring to you in our spring production department? We have computer-controlled production equipment, compression, torsion, or wire-forming springs, each load curve reported for traceability. As well, we have specific tension strength tests meant to confirm a detailed engineering data. We have sprints desalting equipment to boost effectiveness. And we have centralized our hardening process under one roof. Now the floor gives to our CNC machining production department. 5 access centers, 5 feed lathes, automatic tool changers. For the production process, threads, cross holes, nerves, finished in one cup to secure perfect concentration. Every department is messed with robotics and LOT sensors. Filed our maintenance automation journey. Our priority is quality and service shines. We have Rockwell hardness tester, 2.5D projector, integer spring fusion machine, and soft spring machine. Our process starts with listening, share a Lapkin sketch, or a Force-A DeFi. Our 20-plus R&D and quality control specialists run the FM reviews, then feed approved models straight into the shop floor's ARP for a light-out launch. In this way, we have data-proof hardness, dimension, tension load, and corrosion resistance before your part ever leave 中榜故乡. To boost our effectiveness, we have automatic printing, bagging, and label printers. Protection continues in our smart warehouse. Automated lines kit screws with matching nuts, print your private labels, and sell boxers ready for retail or online side use. From blister packs, bulk cartons, we turn the packaging to your assembling floor. For shipment and delivery, we have different terms: DX docked to DDP, sea, land, or air. We build shipping plan backward from your day-to-night. Real-time tracking keeps you informed. Consolidated notes keep you competitive. 15-year witnesses our high-standard services provided by Dongguang Puxiang, and our customers across the globe have offered us high appreciation for our quality and service. If your product needs fastening and one-stop solutions, Guxiang speaks your language. The bright future is on our global hand.